Come take a look at this home nestled on 2.15 private acres in Barboursville. Move-in ready and one-level living. A wonderful open floor plan with split bedrooms, a wood-burning fireplace with stone surround. Spacious closets in all bedrooms. Master bath has large, soaking tub and linen closet for additional storage. Kitchen was remodeled in 2019 and has newer dishwasher and refrigerator. Laundry room doubles as a mud room with a separate entrance to backyard. There are great spaces for gardens, but plenty of mature trees to provide privacy from neighboring properties. Home is on a permanent foundation and there is a water treatment system. Shed conveys. Roof 10 years and HVAC is about 7 years old. New windows,